Super excited. Got the DJI Mini 5 Pro in. It says used, but I got it from B&H, and if you know anything B&H, you know that that's quality and not your normal used. It's definitely not from eBay. Can't wait to get inside here, see how this thing feels, how it flies, everything it came with. Let's do this. It's used. We'll just see what's in here. Pop this open first. There is a box in a box. Pop it out. Alright, we pop this open and looks like some propellers, probably tools, and a C-to-C cable. One big note I did want to make is that if you're missing one of the cables and you don't see it, there's a little tiny space inside the box that holds the controller here. You open that and it's the controller, and I did get the one with the phone controller. It's not the fancy one, but hey, I'm excited. And I believe these come normally with the C cable in them, so it's ready to go. Okay. And sealed up manual. Yeah, that's important. Just don't eat it. And the gem itself. Up, of course. And this was used again, so there's what we got. Already comes with the prop protector, which is nice to have that in place. Pops off pretty easily. And the first thing I do notice is it doesn't have the screw-on pops. This is the pop-on propellers. So, and there's that massive 1-inch sensor. Perfect. Now okay, there you go. There's something I didn't know. When you pop out the propellers on this one, it just kicks right on. It's ready to go. Now, I will say it feels a little plasticky. I've had the Mini 2, the Mini 3 Pro. I did skip the Mini 4, but this one definitely has a very plasticky kind of feel. If you do crash, I wonder if this will withstand as much as some of the older ones. So something to keep in mind. Let's take this thing out and I'm going to do some low light tests. Let's see how this thing does. Let's see some video from it. How about that? Alright, we're back. I did a few tests, including low light test, added Velcro, put a DJI mic mini onto the aircraft. Sounded a lot like propeller noise. Had a lot of fun with this drone. It's a great piece of equipment, has a great camera on it. Low light is fantastic, as people say. It's very fast, it has good range. There's not a whole lot to dislike about this. The landing light that I seen was nothing short of amazing. I really give this nearly a perfect score. The only downside is a little bit of a plastic feeling. It has a real toy kind of feeling. The joysticks are a little light. They just feel like little toys. Those will probably break really easily. I am concerned if you do crash this drone, so you got to be really careful, especially with this one. But otherwise, it's an amazing drone. If you guys liked the video, you learned anything, found any value, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and make sure you join us in the next video. See you then.